perfect siya kasi mainit pa yung katawan mo, kailangan mo ng pampalamig.
Refreshing and cooling. At saka
Okay.
hindi siya malagkit.
Hi guys, it's Coach Gabby and kakatapos lang ng training today and for sure pinagpawisan yung mga players kasi medyo mainit din yung panahon. So I guess it's a perfect time to ask them to test out our snake products. Let's go! Okay, so I'm with Ninya. We're with Yesha. We're with Isa. She's from UPWVT. Kakatapos lang ng training. So, kamusta yung training?
Sobrang humid, sobrang init, nakakapagod.
Tiring.
Tiring.
Yes, very tiring and very hot.
Hard training kami ngayon, kaya super pawis ako.
Okay, so papadry natin kay Ninya yung Snake brand Cooling Lotion Snow Lotus.
Okay, tayo natin.
Okay, go. Kamusta?
Uy, grabe ah! Ang bilis ng niya, lamig. After shower, perfect siya kasi mainit pa yung katawan mo, kailangan mo ng pampalamig.
Ang bango siya. It is refreshing and cooling. At saka
Okay.
hindi siya malagkit. Definitely before training. So when you sweat, it's not that hot.
Papadry natin yung Snake brand Cooling Powder. Blemish Care. Okay, lagay mo sa may arm.
Sobrang siya, lamig sa balat and ang bango niya. Ang lamig niya sa balat and perfect talaga siya pag nagtitraining ako. Ang init dito sa court.
Okay guys, mukhang lahat naman agree na with Snake, literal na no body odor at paypay baho talaga.